So you be coming to this video and you're like, oh no, I tried downgrading and it did not work. Like, oh my goodness. But hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could downgrade your Musical.ly app. And yeah, so most of you guys probably have seen my video on how I downgraded my Musical.ly app, but today if you try that right now, it doesn't work anymore because they updated it and I'm just like, oh my goodness, why update right now? But anyways, I know that for my Android peeps, for you guys it still works. Like even now, if you watch that video and you follow the steps, it should definitely work for you still, because you know, nothing will change. And today specifically, I'm gonna be helping out my Apple users where if you try to downgrade on my last video, it doesn't work. So I think let's go ahead and downgrade our Musical.ly app. But wait, before we get started, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe you win the next shout out for my next video. So now, let's get started. So as you can see here, we have the latest Musical.ly app where they just took out the emoji love and all of those stuff, but that's okay because we're gonna be downgrading it real soon. So before we downgrade our app, make sure that you save all of your drafts or save the ones that you want to re-upload later on. And if you guys haven't seen the last video on how I downgraded my Musical.ly before, you should definitely follow the steps there on how I save my privates by posting it as a private, and that's pretty much it. And once you save all of your drafts that you want to save, it is time now to downgrade our Musical.ly app. So what you're gonna do now is that you're gonna be going to your home screen right now, and once you're on your home screen, what you're gonna do now is that we're gonna be deleting the Musical.ly app so we could install the lower version of the Musical.ly app, and that's pretty much it. So to uninstall it, just hold it down like that, right-clicking on the X sign next to the Musical.ly app, and it says deleting this app will also delete its data. Oh no! But that's okay because we're gonna be installing the lower version of the Musical.ly app, so just press on delete, and once you did that, just press on done. And what you're gonna do now is that you're gonna be going to your Safari app right now. I'm gonna be putting the link down in the description for you guys to click on, so you could go to this website that I'm gonna be going to right now. And guys, when you open the link down in the description, make sure to open it into your Safari app, not the YouTube app. Make sure to open it in the Safari app for it to work. So click on AppValley in the description down below, and once you click on that one, it's gonna take you to this page right here. And as you can see, there are two options: either install AppValley or get VIP. Like, whoa, VIP right now. So out of these two choices, we're gonna be clicking on install AppValley, and once you click on that and it says AppValley VIP would like to install AppValley, real good. So just press on install right here and just go to your homepage right now, and as you can see at the bottom right, it says waiting. So once it is done installing, some of you guys might have this problem where when you open it, it says that it is not trusted. If that thing shows up on your phone, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be going to your settings, and once you're on your settings, you're gonna be going to general and device management here at the bottom, and it says here that it says Nippon Paint China Holdings, same thing as before. And when you click on it, there might be an option where it says to trust the app, so just click on that and just say yes. And once you did that, then it should work when you try to open the AppValley app, and that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna be opening mine right here. So once you open it, you're gonna be getting into this page, and what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be going to the search button on the bottom right, and we're gonna be searching up for Musical.ly, and as you can see here, it shows up right here. So just click on get and click on get again, and it says AppValley would like to install Musical.ly. Real good. Install it right now. So once you click on install, we're gonna be going back to our home page, and as you can see here on the bottom right, it says waiting, and as you can see here at the bottom that the Musical.ly app is finally installed. So let's go ahead and click on the Musical.ly app and see if we do get the downgraded version. So it is opening right now. Like, what this our Musical.ly app just got downgraded. Like, hello, what this right now? And just to remind you guys, there might be some ads running like randomly on the app, but that's okay. As long as you have the lower version, then that is good. So just basically log into your Musical.ly right now and see if it works. So I just finished logging in, and as you can see here that we have the new Musical.ly update, because when you go to your profile, it shows you again the hearts and also the emoji love that you have, which is amazing. Like, hello, what this right now? And also when you go to the plus sign right here, it gives you a lot of options again, which is to pick music, shoot first, or from library, which is amazing. Another thing is that when you used to do the ripple transition and you can't do it anymore in the new update, well, on this one you could do it again. Let me show you. Let's see. told you could do the ripple again. They're real good right now, real soft. I like it. So that is pretty much on how you could downgrade your Musical.ly app, and for this one it actually works on iPads as well because I tested it on my iPad and it actually works. And again, just a reminder for my Android users, if you are trying to downgrade your Musical.ly app, it still works as what I posted before on how you could downgrade your Musical.ly app. So if you haven't watched that, I'm going to be putting a link down in the description for you guys to click on so you could watch the Android part of the video. So that is pretty much on how you could downgrade your Musical.ly app if you are an Apple user. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then as always, let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a Musical.ly and you don't follow me yet, be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.